Hey everyone, Dylan here, back with another video on the Shiba token. But for those that are new to the channel, I cover all things crypto related, crypto stocks, altcoins, Bitcoin, everything, you name it, is right here on this channel. So if you do not want to miss any of these important updates that I'm going to be posting on here daily, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications. But without further ado, let's get right into it. So we got some breaking news here that Shiba Inu has been added to another exchange, and this exchange is pretty significant because, as you know, the last couple of days we've seen a bunch of headlines here. We've seen Vitalik actually donate $1 billion worth of Shiba tokens to India COVID relief fund here, their personal wallet, and we've seen that also here Wazirx, Bitcoin and cryptocurrency exchange in India, the leading cryptocurrency exchange in India here, has recently added Shiba Inu to their list for their exchange here. It says Shiba in the Indian rupee and Shiba USDT trading is live on Wazirx. This is a couple hours ago. Now you can buy, sell, and trade Shib in our India rupee and USDT market. So spread the word here. We already have 3,000 likes, 1,000 reshares. So this is the Shib army coming into play here. But we do see that they just listed their exchange. So let's jump onto their site. For those that are new to Wazirx, let's look at their website real quick and see what they're all about. Okay, so we're on their website right now for Wazirx, and it says here that you can buy and sell Bitcoin instantly with your bank account, 0 fees, 100% safe, and world's first automated auto matching person-to-person engine here. P2P here to make fiat and crypto conversion cheaper, faster, and simpler for everyone. And it says how P2P work. P2P converts your money to crypto instantly, where Wazir acts as an escrow for safekeeping of the transaction. So you can place an order, pay directly to seller, and Wazirx releases the escrowed USDT. It makes Wazirx P2P a safe and fast method to convert fiat to crypto. And we have here the live markets. We're going to jump into the live markets. Let's take a look. But we also just want to take a look at the crypto movement here in India as well, because that's also very important. We did see Vitalik actually donate a bunch of cryptocurrency to the COVID relief fund there in India. And let's look at what actually is happening in India with the cryptocurrency movement. And it says here the crypto movement in India for COVID-19. In lieu of COVID-19, the upsurge of the number of cases in India and the crypto community came together in support for a cause. On April 24th, the Polygon Matic co-founder Sandeep Nawal came forward and started a COVID relief campaign where he urged assistance from the global crypto community. He ensured that fund transparency and regulatory compliance as well. So can't take this sitting down anymore. I'm going to run a COVID relief fund. In lieu of what's going on in India, we need the help from the global cryptocurrency community. And that's when Vitalik came in and he started donating a bunch of the coins that were sent to him to his public wallet, which we covered that in yesterday's video here. But we do see that Vitalik says, thanks for organizing this and thanks for a lot for pointing this out. And so we do see here that we are seeing a move of cryptocurrency in India, and now that their leading exchange is listing Shiba Inu, this could be very interesting for the coin and the Shiba army here. But let's jump into the rapid listing initiative, which has listed Shiba Inu. And it says here rapid listing initiative on Wazirx. It says welcome to our new initiative to rapidly list new tokens on Wazirx. How? Find out more. So it says here, this is what happens in a token listing process. They integrate a new blockchain build deposit module, build withdrawal module, integrate security module, and integrate cold wallets, hot wallets, all of that. So then what happens here? So this is something that you do need to read into more, because it says here you will ensure you don't miss out on opportunities to trade any of your favorite tokens like the Shib token. And what does that mean for you? This is something that you need to look at. It says deposits. You won't be able to deposit the token from another wallet to your Wazirx wallet, so you can't deposit Shib and you can't withdraw Shib here. You will only be able to buy, sell, trade the token in our USDT and BTC markets with absolute ease. So you have to use their exchange here to trade, but you can't deposit your existing Shib or withdraw. When will deposits and withdrawal start? We cannot promise an ETA for the tokens that we list under our rapid listing initiative. We recommend that you only trade these tokens if your intention is to trade or to hold. If you plan to withdraw these tokens anytime, then we recommend not trading them until we announce the withdrawal feature. So it says buy these tokens if your intention is to trade or HODL. So they are also recommending that you hold on to these Shib tokens here as well, because they're just part of this rapid listing initiative here. And if we look here on their actual exchange here, we can actually see the trade history and we see the actual transactions are happening for the SHIB to INR. And also I think we might see some SHIB to USDT somewhere around here. But it's live and it's going on right now. It just released a couple hours ago from the rapid listing initiative. So that's very cool to see from Wazirx, is that they're moving cryptocurrency in India to a rapid pace, and they're also adopting these mainstream tokens as one of their tokens for their exchange. So that's pretty crazy to see here. So let's jump into the charts now and see what's actually happening to Shiba Inu's price, because we did see a bounce here. So let's take a look at the charts for right now. Okay, so at the moment of this recording, SHIB is at 0.000020, and we see here a nice bounce here. We're seeing a lot of crazy wicks to the downside once we found out that news that Vitalik did donate some of the Shiba tokens. But today's news, we know that now India is a leading adopter of the Shiba token and cryptocurrency in general. They are trying to make cryptocurrency happen there as well because of the COVID crisis over there. Now they're bringing a bunch of new adoption there. So we see the SHIB token being added to these major exchanges, and we see these big wicks to the downside now actually breaking through my resistance box here, which was previously support, but we have since been dropping here to these lower areas of support here before this initial breakout of the symmetrical triangle. We do see some bearish divergence here, but it has quickly been resolved here. Now we're starting to see a reset of this RSI. So we are seeing this nice uptick to the upside right here. We're seeing this positive momentum here on the RSI, showing us that we're trying to go towards an overbought region here so we can stay up in this area a little bit longer. But let's see exactly what's going on here. This is the 4-hourly time frame. We do see a lot of support coming in from our 50 moving average right here, and we're seeing a green candle starting to form here, starting to break through this resistance. So that's crazy to see right now. Let's see this bounce a little bit closer here. So we have seen these 4-hourly candles, huge wicks to the downside, meaning it has a lot of bullish potential here, because our price opened here at this area at around 28, has went all the way down here to 12. Wow, it's a crazy drop off here. We had so much selling volume here coming in from this volume candle, but we managed to close back up here around 22. We had multiple 4-hourly candles here, just trying to struggle here to maintain this 50 moving average here as support, but also being pushed down by this 21-day moving average as resistance here. So we've been trading between these two moving averages along with this critical resistance and support here at around 20 cents. And we are now starting to close this candle through this. We're starting to actually zoom in a little bit more. Yeah, we are actually starting to close this right above this. So we have 3 hours and 25 minutes left. This 4-hourly candle just opened around half an hour ago, so we have to still see till then. But since this news just came out, another exchange adding SHIBA coin, I don't think this thing's going to go anywhere anytime soon or go down to zero like people think, just because there's still $8 billion of market cap in this coin. Even though the fundamentals are not that great right now, we do see that there's a lot of mass adoption, especially in India. Brought a lot of news to this coin, apart from all of the news that's already happening around this coin. So we do see that it's breaking this critical resistance here. It did find support on the 50-day moving average, and we do have some more support down here that's been cemented from the bottom of the symmetrical triangle here at around 12 to 13 cents. And now we're making this move up, this bounce here. So let's measure actually that move. So from the very top, we did have a 65% correction, and now we have, from that low to this high right now, we did have a 75% move to the upside. So it's pretty crazy here, from 12 all the way up to now 20. So that was a pretty good gain right here, because we do know that those transaction fees were hindering Shiba Inu token from a lot of users buying into it because of the gas fees from the Ethereum blockchain being over congested. But we do see now a nice recovery here. We were trading in this range before our initial breakout came up to this range, and now we're starting to trade from this range back into this area right here. So my next price targets would be to see here in the next future would be that 25 to 33 range here for Shiba Inu. If we break through this, we can retest this area here of resistance and act as support yet again, so we can make our next move up here towards the next area of take profit. But let's also look at some lower time frames to see what else is happening here. Let's look at the 2-hour. We do have some also confluent with our resistance here at the 20-cent area. We are starting to break through it, so that's also bullish right there. We do have some more support here on the 200-day at around 8 cents, but also just this resistance, this support box right here. And we are starting to see this 21 moving average starting to curve down here. So this is going to be acting as some dynamic resistance in the near future, in the next couple of hours here, as it starts to make its way down here and act as a resistance at around 22 for the Shiba Inu price. But let's look at an even lower time frame here. Let's look at the 1 hourly, and we are seeing that price action here, just huge wicks to the downside, creating that W pattern like I was talking about in my last video. So remember, if you want to stay up to date with the Shiba token, any other meme tokens, or any other altcoins that are having huge fundamentals like Cardano that's been blowing up recently. I talked about it when it was $1, when it had a huge dip, and now it's at $2 here. So don't miss out on any of these videos. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Show the algorithm that you're enjoying these videos, you found them informative. But look, we're seeing a double bottom right here forming, and our neckline would be right here at this resistance area here. So we do have till the 25, not the 25 cent, but the 0.00025 cent region here to break this neckline. And where would that take us? Let's take a look. If we take from the neckline all the way down here to the bottom, that would bring us back up here to our previous all-time highs at around 39 here. With perfect confluence here. Let's put that line in there as well, right there, hitting that target of the previous all-time high for the Shiba token. Let's actually look at the EMA ribbon, just some more TA. So yeah, we're facing a lot of resistance in this area because we have since flipped bearish here. This is just the 1 hour time frame. So if we go on the 4 hourly, we are still actually found a lot of support here from our EMA ribbon to make a move to the upside, but this is going to be upcoming resistance at the 22 cent mark. So my price targets are, if we do manage to hold this, close a 4-hourly candle above this and another one to confirm it, we do see the price going to 26 and then to ultimately retest this upper area of 34. If we do manage to break down, we will find a lot of support here at the 13 area for the Shiba token. But that is it for this video. If you enjoyed this content, you found it informative, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe button, turn on bell notifications. You know the whole deal. Peace out.